Hey, let's say you want to take your Flipgrid that you've created for your class. So I have all these different grids that I've had in years past. This year I've created Ray 2020-2021, and I created a little banner, took a picture, and then popped it in here so it fits kind of the theme that I'm going with this year. So I'm actually gonna click it open. I've already got some grids in here. You're gonna click share and then copy the code or the this address here. And all you gotta do is just click copy. Then you're gonna go to you're gonna go to your sample class that you have, and let's say I want to put it in class board. They're gonna use Flipgrid today. Topic name. We'll just call it Flipgrid. You're gonna click in the type something in order to populate this plus sign. Click the plus and embedded URL. You can't just put the URL in the typing place. You must click embedded URL in order for it to populate like your picture and everything. And then click OK. And I'm going to go ahead and add topic. Now this has my old picture that I had for my Flipgrid. I'm not sure why it's not showing my new one yet, but I'm hoping that that will change soon. So yeah, so now we'll go back to student portal and it's already there for them. So now they have the Flipgrid here. I have the icon in the Bitmoji classroom, but now I also have the Flipgrid here as well. It will take them to the same exact place. So you can kind of decide how you want to use that. If you think it's even necessary to have this, since we can do the Bitmoji classroom, maybe one less thing might be nice, but I did figure out how to do that, so yay!